Hi, I'm Melissa Schmel, the Continuing Education Coordinator at CHEC. I'd like to give you a brief tutorial today on how to navigate the CHEC website to find Category 1 credits. So first you'll want to go to our website, which is www.nchec.org. The next step would be to go to the Continuing Education tab and then click on Credit Activities. This will take you to our search engine and our listing of Category 1 events. So if you can see the top of the page gives you some search options which will narrow the selection of courses. So your first option is to select by event type. So in the drop-down you can choose conference, workshops, or seminars. Those are live events that you attend in person. They would also include webinars. And then we have journals, self-studies, and web-based. Those would all be courses that you do at your own pace. The next option would be to search by provider. If you know a specific provider that you're looking for courses or events through, you can scroll down this list and click on the one that you're looking for and then do apply filters, and that will narrow your search to include only courses or events offered through that provider. Just because a provider is on the list does not mean that all their courses are approved for CHES Category 1 credits. If you navigate away from the course that you were interested in and find others, you want to make sure that the course indicates that they are awarding CHES Category 1 credits, because many of our providers offer other types of credits as well. Your next option is to use the program cost range and cost of CECH range. The program cost range is the fee that the provider charges for the event or the course, and the cost of CECH range is the amount the provider charges to process your credits. So I know a lot of people are looking for low cost or free courses, so I'm going to show you how to search for free courses. So in the program cost range, you're going to enter 0 in the from and 0 in the to, and then in the cost of CECH range you're going to enter 0 in the from and 0 in the to and hit apply filters, and this will bring up courses that are offered free of charge. Your next option would be to search by the number of continuing education credits approved. So say you're looking for courses that offer at least 10 credits. You could enter 10 in the approved range and 20 in the to range. Hit apply filters, and that'll bring up courses that have at least 10 credits. Another option is to search by advanced level credits. MCHES are typically looking for these, so you can do the same thing. Put in whatever number of advanced credits you're looking for. And the next option is to search by topics. We have a long list of topics that our courses relate to. So you can choose the topic you're interested in, hit apply filters, and that will narrow your search for events and courses that relate to that topic. The final way to search is by continuing competency. For those of you who are now required to get the continuing competency requirement, you can select yes and then hit apply filters, and that will bring up courses or events that only offer continuing competency credits. Now I want to show you how to navigate the actual course section of the website. So the first column is titles, title of event. So you can click on the title of the event, and this will take you to the details page. It'll show you who the provider is, their provider ID, how many credits are being awarded, what the cost is, and the contact person if you would have any questions. The next column is the location of the event, the state and city, the event start date for live events, and then the link. This link will take you directly to the provider's registration page. Each provider has different registration requirements, so you want to make sure that you follow the registration information on their website. Typically you would have to create an account, pay a fee if that's required, and include your CHES ID, CHES or CHES ID number somewhere in the registration information so they can report the credits to NCHEC. The next column is the program cost, if there's a fee to take the course or event, the cost of CECH if there's a processing fee for the credits. The CECH approved is the maximum number of credits you can receive for attending. The advanced CECH approved is the portion of the total that are awarding advanced level. So for instance, this event has the same amount of total and advanced, so you would get the maximum of 14.5 advanced level for that event. And then we have continuing competency credits. That would be the portion of the total that is awarding continuing competency, and then the topic the event or course relates to. So that's it in a nutshell. If you have any further questions, you can contact me by clicking on the Contact Us link. And again, I'm Melissa Schmel, the Continuing Education Coordinator. I'd be happy to answer any of your questions. Thank you.